I need to have Jessica come on and share, you guys, because she has to bounce. She's got some things she has to do. I think she's still on vacation with her family. So I'm just going to have her share with you guys real quick. So, Jessica, you should be able to unmute and take it away, my friend.
Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, perfect.
I'm actually in the pool at the beach. The ocean is very rough today, so we're in the pool. So thanks for having me. Before I get started, I just want to share that this is the first time in my entire life I've ever been on vacation without a credit card. Right? The house, like we went to Busch Gardens for 3 days and the beach for 7 days, like all of it. Vacation is expensive. I mean, life is expensive. And because of Michelle and because of what she saw in her vision to help us make money online, here we are. Sorry, my earbud keeps right because my ear. Let's just take that out. Can you still hear me if I take that out?
Perfect.
Okay, good. Thank you. Sorry. So the beauty of this is you can take it anywhere. I had a $3,000 day yesterday, or $4,000. I can't even remember. It was insane. And I was at the beach in the ocean and swimming and like at the candy store, because I've only been to the candy store 4 times since I got here, because candy is life. Let's get in a call there. Let me get rid of it. So I was the skeptic. If you're new and you've just followed and just got on here or whatever, like that, I was like, there's no way people can make money digitally. Like, I come from house parties. I come from like Pampered Chef parties and Mary Kay parties and lugging your stuff into people's houses. So to make this kind of money electronically it wasn't me. There's just no way someone like me could do that. That's what I thought. And I watched for a long time. I researched for a long time. I bought 5 other digital things because I thought, oh, well, what they have is best. Well, if I put that in my bio, I'll make a lot of money. And nothing has the mentoring like Legacy Builders. And no one mentors and pours into us like Michelle. So I live in a double-wide trailer in West Virginia in a holler, which is a valley. If you don't know what a holler is, my Wi-Fi, you got to pump the sunshine in where I live. So, I've had obstacles, but being a skeptic and the image of you had to look a certain way or have a big following was what I thought. I just didn't think people like me could make that kind of money online until I met Michelle. So I just urge you to plug into her, because I come from like MLM, all the things, I've always had a second job, waiting tables, always had to have something in my back pocket to make ends meet. And now we have $4,000, $5,000, $7,000 days because of Michelle's mentoring. So I just literally just plugged in, did everything she says. I don't have a mentor. Michelle is my mentor, and she's taught us to have $20,000 months. So I don't want to keep you long because I know lots of people want to talk. I just wanted to come on and say, listen to the person that brought you here. Listen to Michelle, because it's a different society now. It's a different world. We live in an electronic world, and this is literally a class that will teach you how to make money from every platform that you have. And she pours into us every day. It's changed my life. And so I give the Lord all the credit, and Michelle, because she's very selfless. And I just wanted to say thanks.
Oh, well, thank you. And I'm so excited for you. Isn't that awesome? You're on vacation and you have a $4,000 or $3,000 day. I mean, that's passive income.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I'm so proud. I love your tan, by the way.
Oh yeah, we've been on vacation for 7 days, so it's time to go home tomorrow, back to reality.
Well, have fun, my friend, and thank you for sharing.
You.
Oh, I love it. You guys, that's it right there. That's passive income. Amazing. So how do you get started, and what happens once you get started? Let's cover that. So when you get started with the Legacy Builder program, you immediately get the resale rights on all 4 of the programs. So you can be learning and earning at the exact same time. So you're going to learn how to promote products and make 100% profit. You're going to learn how to automate your business. You're going to learn our discovery method, just like that. Look, Cecilia in South Africa discovered my video, and I'm a gal in Kansas. You're going to learn exactly how that is possible. You're going to learn how to relate in your content to attract your perfect customers to you. You're going to learn step by step what you need to do daily to make daily pay. And you're going to learn the strategies to make $900 a day, which is $328,000 a year. So let me ask you this question, put in the chat. Are you ready to earn passive income on autopilot that comes in month after month because because of the work, or day after day because of the work you did one time. And that's what we love. Now, when you get started today, you're going to get additional bonuses. You're going to be part of our digital growth community. You're going to get our Canva crash course. So if you want to build a faceless business, you're going to learn how to do that using Canva. You're also going to be able to attend live this bonus in September. And the reason why it's done live is because people wanted to be able to ask questions. So you get the ability, if you get started today, to attend that live. And I'm going to break down the strategies that I took to go from 1 million around my family, or in 17 months. And then at the very end, I'm going to open up for Q&A and answer any questions that you guys have, to give you the guidance that you need to reach your goal, whatever that is, five figures or six figure, or if you want to be a self-made millionaire. We are going to cover that live in September. And then you get a 30-day market strategy plan. You guys, I wasn't even on TikTok in August of 2022. I got on TikTok in September of 2022, and that is a 30-day market strategy growth plan I use to go from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months. You're going to learn how to have your own online business with master resale rights and exactly what that is. You're going to get 200 digital product ideas. So if you want to have your own product, service, or program, you're going to learn how to have that. You're also going to get the mindset, message, and marketing to your first million. And you're going to get your invisible marketing training as well to build that faceless brand. So you get all of these bonuses today, and you guys get access to all of that for $900. But here's a very important part. This is an interactive program. Just like when you go to college, it's interactive. You have professors to help you in college. Well, you have 5, 6, and 7-figure digital marketers to help you reach your goals and dreams. It's an interactive program, live calls and interactive. We stay on and get your questions answered. You get all of that for $900, plus the ability to get the resale rates on these and make, like if you sold this, and this, one of each a day, that's $1,900 a day that you can make. Now, if that is not in your budget or not in your goal or dream, that's okay. We have a digital mastery for $600. You still get the resale rights, 3 income streams. The passive daily pay blueprint, you still get 2 income streams. And even the launch pad, you still get 1 income stream. Now, what happens, you guys, is the person that shared this with you, they have sent you an email, right? Just go back to that email, and it was to let you know that this was going on. Scroll to the very bottom of that email, and you're going to see a PS. When you go to that, that is to their website. Scroll to the very bottom. You can see all 4 of the programs, right? Get the one that is best for your goals and dreams. So what we want you to do is, once you get